welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a bootleg $5, not even $5, but a real cheap photo shoot in my room. Okay, so I'm inspired by some Pinterest pictures. I've been like looking at Pinterest for no reason, just because I'm bored. And like, who doesn't like to take pictures? So I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of me setting up the corner of my little room. I'm tight in space, but I'm gonna make it work, period. The link to everything that I will be using in this video today will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and look at that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the crew. So I moved my bed a little bit, and I will be using this corner, and I'm setting up I moved my bed over, and I'm going to be setting up in this corner. This is where the pictures will be taken, and I'm gonna put my camera over there. So, right. So now I'm about to just use my backdrop. I got on Amazon for like $11, $10, something like that, and I'm gonna put it on the wall first before I put the newspapers on, because I don't want to glue or tape the wall. Be using push pins, thumbnails, thumbtacks, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. So here's my ring light that I got from Amazon. So I'm about to just set this up over there so y'all can see, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Okay, y'all. Y'all not gonna see this black thing. Y'all not gonna see it. But this is how we're looking so far. All the way to the bottom. I gotta put some more on the bottom, like where my feet is gonna stay. Maybe not. I might just take some there and just put it on the floor. I don't know. But y'all. This is the corner. So I'm gonna do a close-up here, and then I'm gonna figure out, like, you know, stay tuned. So now I'm about to go do my hair and makeup and change my clothes. Okay, so I'm back. This is the makeup. This is the look. Real calm, not too spicy, you know. So these jeans I got from a thrift shop called El Trey Vintage, and it was between $8 to $10. And this is a regular tank top that I had just laying there. I just decided to cut up. So for my top, I decided that I did not want it to be neat at all. I wanted it to look DIY-ish, feel me? Like, I wanted it to look messy. So I cut it up really bad. I tried to distress the jeans, so I cut the slits in the knee and started pulling on the thread. This is how I took and edited my pictures. I went to my camera, set it to portrait, went to studio lighting, and this thing in my hand came with my ring light. This, I got it from Amazon. The link to it will be in the description box below. It is a Bluetooth connected thingamajiggy-bob. You just click the button and boom, you just take the picture, you pose, like whenever you're ready. And voila. Now that that part is done, I'm going to go edit my pictures. I use this app called PixArt. It's free. I mean, you gotta pay for certain stuff in the app, but so far, for the most part, it's free. You're gonna go allow access to it, go through your pictures, and this is the picture I pick first to edit. You're gonna go down to FX or Effects, and you're just gonna keep scrolling and have fun with it. Pick whatever one you want. If you don't like it, you can always go backtrack, do something else. There's always something there you can fix. You can make it darker, you can make it brighter, you can make it cartoonish. Just have fun with it. It's everything there. Everything.
money.